did this one for you. So this one says, Kitabu man Heather, and that translates to either the book of who is this, or you can say, whose book is this? That's the question they're asking. Whose book is this? And they wrote it Kitabu man Heather. So they want you to do the same thing for each of these pictures. So let's get this out of the way. What is the Arabic word for this one?
Qalamun.
Qalamun. So I'm gonna write it over here. I thought I was writing it. Qalamun. Qalamun. And this one here is a picture of what?
Shirt.
It's a shirt, but we're talking Arabic.
Qamisu.
Qamisu. Call, and I said call, that's wrong, is a call. So I can write it. I'm gonna write it here. Is qamisu. And it's long, qamisun. And that goes with the shirt. I wish Darnita was here because this is her little thing right here. She don't. I know all of your words, which ones that you just don't want to say. So this is the picture of what here?
Baytun.
Baytun, house.
Hada Baytun.
Yes, there you go. Let's do that. Hada Baytun. I say Ma Heather, and you say what? Hada Baytun. And the last one that you can barely see, picture of what?
Hada Siyum.
Pardon me? You probably said it, just say it again. Mahada. Sari what?
Sorry.
Sarirun, yes.
Wait, I can't turn off my Adan. Can you hear it?
No. Sarirun. Okay? Sarirun. That's a bed. So they gave you, I was wondering why they have 4 down here, but I know why, because they gave us an example. I'm trying to move this up because the bed is down here in no man's land. Just a little bit. Oh, now you can't see the example. Okay, so let's do the first one. So who wants to do the first one? You want to make a question just like the first one.
Okay. Kalimu min hadahi.
Okay.
Whose pen is this?
So Kalimu.
Right
that over here. Kalimu. And you said what?
Kalimu min.
It's not min. Min means what?
Oh, men.
Men, good. Kalimu. Men.
Men.
Because that's who?
Hadahi. Hada.
Hada. Hada. Kalimu. Men. Hada. Whose pen is this? Okay, the next one, we're going to do the qamisun.
I can say ahada.
La. You're doing this Right up here.
Oh, so
You're
I
doing
got
the same question.
Oh, no, hook it up. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Comissão وبيت
Kamisu. You only doing
Oh,
one.
what?
You're not doing both.
Oh. Okay. Comissão men هذا
You say men or did you say
men.
men?
Men.
Men. Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's it.
Kamisu
Men
men.
هذا
Okay.
هذا.
Because I am writing slow.
Oh.
Heather. The next one, we're going to do it with the bait.
Okay. Baytun,
Baytun.
Baytu, I mean.
Mm-hmm.
Baytu men هذا is the house broken?
What are you doing? Making up stuff?
Oh no.
Because
Let me see.
you said
Baytu.
Baytu men Heather. So translate that.
Oh.
See, because if you writing it, so you doing this up here,
Uh-huh.
translate this one.
Whose book is this?
Right. So you did the same thing here. You did Baytu men Heather. So translate that.
Oh, whose house is this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Translate this one here.
Whose shirt is this?
Good. And translate this one.
Whose pen is this?
Good. So don't go off to somewhere.
Okay. Okay.
Keep it easy. It's simple. Keep it there. And the
Okay.
last one, oh, everything got all hoochie doochie when I did that. I'm gonna have to erase it. There you go. And the last one, Tanya.
Mm-hmm. Sorry, Ron.
Let me catch up with you.
Men هذا.
Good. Sariru. Sariru.
Men هذا.
Man means who?
Mm-hmm.
Heather. Heather means this. Okay. Sariru men Heather. So they're saying, whose bed is this? Or the bed of who is this? It's the same thing. So now you know how to say, whose house is this? Whose car is this? Whose what? Chair is this? Whose man is this? We're gonna do it right now. And that's why you need your vocabulary. So how do I say, whose man is this?
Roger men هذا.
Okay. Rajulu. Right, because you're going to end in Dummat or Dummatan wing, because all words start out in nominative case. So Rajulu, you said what?
هذا. رجل من هذا.
Good. Rajulu men Heather.
Mm-hmm.
Whose man is this? Okay. Manium. I'm trying to think of stuff that you already know, so don't even go there. Whose masjid is this?
Okay. Masjidun men Heather.
Masjid what?
Masjid done.
Good. Masjid what? Because you're changing up. I don't know which one you want to use.
Okay. Masjid
Masjid what?
dun do.
Do. Masjid do. Okay.
Masjid do
Mhm.
men Heather.
Men Heather. Men Heather. I want you to translate this one.
Oh.
Oh, I'm writing it the wrong way. Okay.
All right.
Whose Quran is this?
Good. Yeah, that's all. I just changed the word, right?
Right.
So your general thing, you know, it's about knowing your vocabulary. Okay.
Yes.
So, what time is it? 4:52. I'm gonna let Tanya show us what she want to show us. I'm gonna stop the share because well, let me give you your homework first. Because I was gonna do this in class, but I know better. I'm gonna give you your homework right now. It's not anything. It's not anything, you know, deep. I'm trying to think which oh, what am I doing? I'm not sharing my screen, so I can't. I forgot. This is the screen. We're gonna share this. How I got there, you don't know, right?
Oop, I want to see that movie, Nobody.
Oh, I don't go see anything. So I'm gonna use the reader, because then you won't have to do it on your own, but I'm going to use the reader.
Wait, so, right, so, oh, okay.
I'm gonna show you your homework first, and then we're gonna do you.
Yeah, and I want to download that program that you and Sister Mariam have.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that too, but right now we're just gonna, this is not long. I just want to show you what the homework is. It's gonna be mostly translation and reading. So we did Where is Amina? I think we did that. That was old. Yeah. Lesson 5. That's where we're at now. We're on lesson 5, and we're on the last thing in lesson number 5. This thing, all this Arabic you all read, it looked like a whole lot, but it's not all that. Don't let it psych you out.
Woo, I'm all right, psych.
Yeah, because you're not going to be getting any more. So this is
page 32. No.
Yes. As a matter of fact, well, this homework is, I wanted you to do these sentences. Okay, so yeah, so this is homework.
What page is that on?
Right, it is right underneath.
Oh, I see it.
What you just do.
Page 31.
Yeah, what you just did. And all you're going to do, because of this one, I was going to do in class, but we're going in class. We're not going to do all this today. I'm making it bigger. And I have to move y'all. I should know that I can't do this. This is about Hamzatul Wasf. Okay. And I might skip that one. Okay, so we're gonna do this now.
Woo.
It's not her. Take a deep breath.
This is all
Make
about
it bigger.
somebody's name.
Right. So
Well,
all they're doing here is working with Hamzatul Wasl. So we talked about that. Let me get my pen. I missed my annotation. What happened to it? I don't have a pen no more. Oh yeah, so I don't have a pen.
There it is.
Annotation. Okay, I got a pen. So good, Tanya. You said the pen, and you are correct. Ismun, I mean, you said name, okay? So Hamzatul Wasl, we learn, and Hamzatul Wasl is this. Even though if you have Aleph and it has a vowel on it, even if they don't have the vowel there, it is written. It has a Hamza, okay? Because here is actually this. Ismun, it's a Hamza, and then you have a Kesra, okay? So when it comes first, you read it, Ismun. So they're showing you here, here's your Kesra, right? So it is Ismun because it is by itself, and this is a name. So here they have Ismul Waladi, right? Here, Ismun is the first word, so you're going to read it with the Kesra, Ismu, right? So, Ismul Waladi Muhammadan, okay? Now here you have what? Ismu, right? But it has something in the front of it. So you're gonna go from the wow right to the scene. So it's Westmu. That's all this lesson is. You're not going to read Ismu because when Hamzatul Wasl has a word in front of it, then you drop it. You're not going to read it. So words like Ibn, if it has a word in the front of it, you're not going to read it. So that's what this lesson is here. And we're not going to do it for homework. We're going to do it right now, so you don't have to do it. So here we have Ismul Waladi. Translate that.
Waladi's son.
Good. So translate it. Ismul Waladi.
Walad.
What is going on here?
Waladi's son. Waladi's son.
Use your rules. Use your rules.
Okay.
You have Ismu. And you have Al-Waladi. What is that telling you?
The son of
what is coming first?
The name.
The name what?
The name of.
Keep on. The name of what?
Well, Waladu is boy.
So translate this. The name of what?
The boy is.
Lab, we're not going on. The name of the boy. The boy's name. This is what I want y'all to see. This is an idafa. So before you start going, you know, the boy, look at what's going on. You have Ismu. This is telling you Ismu. Why is it Ismu? Because there's no Aleph Lam, right? So you go on to the second noun. It's in what? Genitive case. So that's telling me I'm gonna get an of here. It is showing possession. So that tells me I'm going to translate this either the name of the boy, or the boy's name. Okay? And then, as Tanya said, the rest of, and this is your subject. This is the first part. This is your subject. Ismul Waladi. And then she said, what is Muhammad? The boy's name is Muhammad. So that's the translation of that. Is that clear? I just want you to do that part first.
Mhm.
So now they're going to show you when you finish reading it, here you said Ismu because there wasn't anything there. But now you have a was, so it's Westmu. Okay? Westmu. That's all they want to show you is that you're not going to say this here has been dropped. So now you have Westmul Binti Zainab, Zainabu. Okay? And if we translate that, we're going to get what? Sister Mary, we're doing the second part. So let's translate these two words.
Okay. And
And it's going. So now we're going to translate these two words.
the girls and wait a minute. And the girl's name
Good. Finish it out.
is Zainab.
Good. Good. So we have the boy's name is Muhammad and the girl's name is Zainab. Okay. And the object they're trying to show you is how to read it. Okay. Now look at a Muhammad. Muhammad, because it's a masculine name, ends in tanween. Okay. If it was Muhammad, it would be what?
Do.
Right.
Do.
Muhammad do. But it doesn't have there, so it's just un. Okay. Another benefit. Okay, so let's go to the next one. And all this is using ismun. So, Tanya, you read this one here. And all of the vowels are on there. That's why I'm using this book.
Oh, I'm look at your book then. Okay, so where are you?
It's circled in red.
Oh, it's did Ross see?
Start again. I need to hear every single letter. You can't do that because I don't know what is you're saying. Take your time.
I was just gonna go to Ismu.
When you're gonna go to the lamb.
I want to go here to Ismul.
Good.
Mudarisi.
Good.
Mudarisi. Hamidun.
Now he's long, so I need to hear it.
Hamidun.
Hamidun. Good. Okay. When it's long, give it its long. If it's short, you're not gonna say Hamid because there's no Hamidun. Good. So
Hamidun.
good. So translate it.
The teacher's name is Hamid.
Hamid, good. Now, you didn't get a chance to read it in the first part, so now Tanya, read the second part.
Ma ismu.
And that's what they're trying to show you. Because this here, you're not going to read. There is no vowel there. So it's been dropped. Good.
That was dropped.
Say it again.
I'm going to say masmul.
Good.
Mudiri.
Good. Translate that.
Ma.
I'm sorry.
Wait, I know. Math. Uh-oh, help me, Meridian. What's math? I forgot.
We gonna hurt you.
Uh-oh. I forgot math. And that.
And it's the interrogative.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's a question mark. Help her out, Sister Mary. What does math mean?
Math had that.
You had math.
What?
Yes, we did. What?
She just told you what it is.
Who, what did
what?
she say?
What?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I had to say Matt had that to remind me.
And you was telling me what to say before. Remember? You was like, Mad Heather, what is this? Remember? Yes,
I
now
sure
you.
was. Yep. I'm
So now you know what it is. Translate.
What is the headmaster's name?
What is the headmaster's name? Very, very good. Okay. So all they want to show you is here. Ismu. It's Ismu because there's nothing here. But once you have something in the front is Masmul. Masmul. Because we say, what is your name? Masmuka. Masmuka is, what is your name? We say we did that. Masmuka. So you're not pronouncing the I for the word name. You're going right from the mad to the scene. Mass mu. That is, what is name? Ka is what I want to teach y'all. That's your attached pronoun, meaning you. Masmu Ka. What is your name? Okay. Ka for masculine, Ki for feminine. That's what we're gonna, inshallah, get to before we go to lesson number 6.
Masmuki. Oh.
Masmuka, what is your name? And then you say, Ismi means my name is. Ismi. Ismi. And all I did was did the is and the aleph and the sin, and the mean means name. But the attached pronoun for me is a ya. This means my. So it's me is my name. You don't say it's Mu'i. You just drop that and just put it's me. Just like you have Rabbi, right? You have Lord. And you put the yeah on the end, you have Rabbi, my Lord. Aki, my brother, right? So that's what I want to get to, because then that's all in the Quran. So when you are reading, you can recognize that. But anyway, let's get to Ibn and then we'll be done with this. And then you're going to do it for homework. So this is only dealing with, at this time, reading, actually. So Ibnu, that means son, it's the same thing. It has that a kesra. So when something is put in the front of it, then it is dropped in the reading. You don't read it. So here they show you Ibnun, right? A son. So they have Ibnu Khalidin fil madrasati. Web, because now you have what? Ibnu, but it has a what in front? Wow.
Wow.
Lebanu Hamidin fil Jamiati. Okay. So the first one, Merit, I'm going to let you read it, even though I did read it, but you going to read it.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. Ibnu,
Mm-hmm.
um,
We're right here.
Khalidin,
Good.
Fil,
Mm-hmm.
Mudarisati,
Med.
Madrasati,
Mm-hmm.
where Abnu,
Whoa. Where you at? So here you got, this is going right to here. So it's sound.
Webnu,
Good.
Webnu,
Mm-hmm.
Kamidan,
Mm-hmm.
Fil,
Good.
Fil,
Mm-hmm.
Jamiati.
Good. So let's translate it. Part 1. Translate the first part because you know you got 2 parts because you got what?
Parts, yeah.
Wow. So we're going to do part 1.
And
I told you what this word meant. So you're good to go.
I think I forgot it.
Yeah, well, just think of it. Ibn Mas'ud means what? Ibn Abdullah.
Oh, son?
Right. There you go.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Who is that? Whose son?
No, because there is no man there. So
Okay.
you don't have to guess. You have the words right here. So translate the words. What is going on? This eraser is my word. So you have to look at your words and see what's going on. You got your first word.
Uh-huh.
You see it has a dhamma on it.
Uh-huh.
There's no aleph lam, right? You look at your second word. It's in genitive case. You're going to ask yourself, why? Why would a word be in genitive case? And I'm asking you, why would a word be in genitive case? You only know 2 reasons right now. Matter of fact, there's only 2. So why would this word be in genitive case?
Because because it has as aleph lam.
Aleph lam has nothing to do with it. And there's no
Okay.
aleph lam here anyway. So you got rules. Rule 1, blank puts a word into genitive case. What is the first one? From what you learn. The object of what is in genitive case?
Preposition.
Good. So that is your very first one that you know. The object of the preposition is in the genitive case. But there is no preposition in the front of this word, right?
Right.
So we know we're not dealing with that one. So the second one tells you that the second word will be in genitive case, right?
Yeah.
If it's a what?
The second one. Oh.
So think of what we're dealing with right now. What we've been learning. We've been saying that the first noun will never have aleph lam, will never have tanween, and we said that the second noun will be in genitive case. What is that?
I can't even think on it right now.
Okay, Tanya, let's do it.
Dr. Leahy's the second.
Right. So this word is in genitive case because it's the second noun in an idafa.
Oh.
Right. So now translate this.
Okay. Okay.
Because an idafa shows a possession, right?
Okay.
So translate those two words.
Whew. Is that the son
Mm-hmm.
of,
Of, right?
uh-huh,
And the man's name.
uh-huh. Khalid, what is it? Khalidin,
Right. The son of Khalid.
son of Khalid,
Right. Mm-hmm. And that's your subject, because now you have something, starting something different here.
okay.
Fee
The
means.
son,
Mm-hmm.
the son of Khalid
Mm-hmm.
is
Good.
that in
Yep.
Al-Mudar is in the classroom
And it's madrasa.
at the
Madrasa
school.
is school, right? Mm-hmm. Good. So
Is
you
in
got
the school
the
and
mm-hmm.
His son
Don't say his and what?
and the son
Uh-huh.
Muhammad,
Not Muhammad. There's no Muhammad there.
Hamid
Yep. Son of
Hamid
Habit. Mm-hmm.
is in
Mm-hmm.
El Jamiyati.
Good.
Uh-huh.
Anybody knows what that word is?
El Jam
University.
It's university.
what?
University.
Oh, university. Uh-huh.
Mhm.
Woo.
So you have Ibnu Khalidin fil madrasati web nu Hamidin fil jamiati. The son of Khalid is in the school or the madrasa, and the son of Hamid is in the university. Or
Okay, say that again now. The son of
Khalid
Khalid
is in the school,
is in the school.
and the son of Hamid is in the university. Or you can say Khalid's son is in the school and Hamid's son is in the university.
Ooh.
So you have to train your eyes to, that's why I say, when I say translate, don't start thinking about the meaning of the word, because you ought to start saying the words. Look at the endings, because that's what you are learning, endings. These endings tell you how to translate it. These endings tell you what is going on. So if you see a word and it's in genitive case, you have to ask yourself why.
What is
And that'll help you.
What's being possessed?
What's being possessed, or is there a preposition? There's only two reasons why it's going to be in genitive case. So then if there's no preposition and there's a noun in the front and it only has the one vowel, it don't have aleph lam, you know you have an idafa. So it's going to be of something.
Take some hot dogs out.
Okay. So homework. I didn't want to give you that for the homework because that was only reading. I just had you translate it because that is very good. So homework, you're going to do what's underneath it. I'm trying to pull this up. It's 7 sentences or is it 6? There's only 6. And they're telling you to do the same thing. Read the following sentences, bearing in mind the rule of Hamzatul Wasl. And all you're going to do is the same thing we just did. If you look at sentence number 1, they have Ibnu Muhammadin fil Iraqi. Web Now the second one, there's a wow in the front of it. So it's going to be webnu, not going to be web. And if you notice, there is no vowel on the aleph anyway. So this is going to be webnu, hamiden, fil hind. So that's all they having you do. If you look at sentence number 2 is Kharaja, and then it has ibnu behind it. So it's going to be what? Kharajab nu. Okay, you're not going to read the aleph. So for homework, you want to write these 6 sentences out. You want to read them, of course, and you're going to translate them. Translate so you know what it is you are reading. Of course, you're going to probably have to use your vocabulary because in your book, all the vowels are not there. So you're going to have to look up the words.
Mm.
And I don't see, let me see. Most of the words you have. Like here, if I can get it, Iraq. That's the name of a place, right? So Iraq. Hind is India. We had that in lesson number 4. Kharaja is a verb. He went out, to go out, right? Tabib you had, Baytu you had, Dhahaba means he went or to go. Tajir is a merchant, so y'all had that. You had all these words. This word here, so you don't get all hung up, is a name. Mas'ud, right? Ibn Mas'ud. We heard that before.
Yes.
Mas'ud. I'm just trying to see, is there any that might be, you might not be familiar with? Rajulu, we got that. Ibnu, Man Anta, Anabnu, Al Wazir. So that might be new. I knew the Wazir is a leader. But other one, that is your homework.
Where's Razir at?
Right down, right here, Wazir. I'm a double check it in the book, but it's right there, Wazir.
What that mean?
I think it's leader, but you check the book.
It sounds like leader.
Yeah, I mean, it sounds like leader to us, but yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. So write them out in the Arabic with all the vowels. You're going to have to use your vocabulary so you can put all the vowels on it. Read it, because that's the whole point, and translate it. Yeah. Faslu. Okay. And if I can, I don't know if it's on here, so